I welcome you all to the Crypto Singh Show, and my name is Gunpreet Singh, and we talk about Bitcoin, Metaverse, NFT, everything on this show. What's happening with the Bitcoin markets? As you can see, I'm not in my place, but I am out somewhere. Well, this place is actually the third best ranked in the world, and I'll show you how this place looks like, and it is one of the most beautiful palaces in the world as well. And this is one of the best places to be in. Well, first we'll talk about the Bitcoin pricing, and then I'll show you how this palace really looks like from outside. And stay tuned, tomorrow I'll make a video from inside the palace, how the Indian palaces look and how pretty they are. So what's happening with the Bitcoin pricing? As I said, we're consolidating and we're going up in terms of pricing. There's a lot that's happening in terms of bullishness, because I think Bitcoin is really bullish for now. But the thing is, what I can see is Bitcoin is slightly more bullish than the alts in general. So I think there might just be a kind of a drift or a shift between Bitcoin and alts. And I did say that last month, but it didn't seem like certain alts like Solana actually led the way for this bull run of Bitcoin. So I don't know, but I personally believe that now we should see a bit of pullback in the alts. And again, with Bitcoin, I think we are going to strike that 25,000, and we're trying to get onto the 25,000 mark. But saying that 25,000 mark would again be something that you might be happy to short on. So I don't know if we're going to do exactly 25,000 or we're going to reverse before that. But I personally think that now would be the time that we'll really see how the Bitcoin really behaves, because in terms of consolidation, we usually see these patterns growing over time. I mean, where we had so many negative stories coming up, we had so much negativity in the Bitcoin or the crypto markets, but the kind of bullishness that Bitcoin is showing is pretty good. Actually, it's very good for the market, the kind of bullishness that we are seeing, because these patterns, before they're actually maturing, the Bitcoin is breaking out. And this is what has happened with Bitcoin in general. Earlier we thought it's going to sustain a bit on 21,000 and consolidate there, but the power, there's someone definitely buying a lot of Bitcoins. But it could be a possibility that the institutions are starting to get into Bitcoin again. And I see that the market is getting the confidence back into the crypto markets, and all the negative news is again gone. And apparently Bitcoin market has actually done well than the stock markets. So stock markets have actually crashed more. It did gain a bit yesterday, but crypto markets have been doing much better actually. So saying that, I think a lot of confidence is coming in to the buyers. But again, sometimes these things are bull trap, and I would still say that we're still on kind of a bull trap. I don't think that we're still we're out of the woods, and this is not really the bull market. But same thing is happening. But Bitcoin in general looks stronger than all the alts. And let me show you how this palace really looks like. It's something that is extremely pretty and beautiful. I'll give you a look of this entire. This is a palace in Jodhpur, the Umaid Bhavan. It's one of the best palaces in the world, ranked number 3, 1 in India. It's ranked number 2 in Asia. It's one of the prettiest. And we'll do a video tomorrow here inside the palace, and I'll show you how this palace really looks like. So getting back to the crypto markets, I mean, crypto markets, I think I think that it's good that we have bullishness. We'll have some bit of confidence. Now try and understand how the market really behaves. Now this is important for us to understand. See, earlier at 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, if the Bitcoin price would have gone down, nobody would have bought Bitcoin. So how the markets would have pumped, right? But now that we'll touch 25,000, now we're already at 24,000. And if we are at 24,000 and now we go down to 15,000 or 14,000, there'll be everyone buying Bitcoin at this time. So Does this change my outlook to the Bitcoin low, 13,000? Pretty much there. I think I'm still at it. I would still see how this behaves. At 25,000 would be where that next big statement would come from me about, do I change my plans or it still stays there? So because then if it goes higher than 25,000, goes to 27, 28, then the bear patterns would be reversed, and then unfortunately or fortunately, I think it's a good thing for the market, we'll be in a bull market back. I wouldn't say bull market, but I would still say consolidation of market. I don't think liquidity, because of the liquidity crisis that we are seeing, the bull market is yet to come, because it's going to take some time. I would still not believe that this is the starting of a bull market, but this could be the end of the bottom. But that's when we go above 25,000. First, let's reach 25,000, and then I'll make another video once we reach there and tell you about that. Are we going higher or are we going lower, or what's happening with that kind of pricing? And the alts are looking weaker, and I'll also be revealing few AI projects tomorrow in my video, and I'll tell you that if the markets go down, those are the projects you could look into and invest into them. So tomorrow, stay tuned for the videos, and I'll make a video tomorrow from inside this palace. It really does look beautiful, isn't it gorgeous? I mean, it's just outstanding. So I'll make a video tomorrow about the AI projects and give you certain projects. If the market dumps down, that's where you should be investing, in terms of not all your money, but part of it, because I think AI is catching up slowly and gradually. Next should be I think it's now good to get into decentralized apps, dApps or AI. I think these are the things that might just be required, because everyone is back to the normalcy of saying that Binance or centralized exchanges. But I think let's not forget, dApps are still decentralized exchanges for us. Is DEX, I've been saying dApps, DEX are still one of the most important things for us, and I think somewhere we might see a huge jump in them as well. So I'll give you the AI projects, and then I'll give you DX, decentralized exchanges, where you could probably try to get into it a bit, because now the time has come where we can start investing into it. The markets are getting back, and once the market falls again, I can assure you there would be huge amount of buyers at 14, 15,000 or 16,000. They're not going to wait anymore then. So I don't know if 9 or 10,000 is going to touch, but you never know with the crypto markets. So I still think 20% chances of 9-10,000 is still stands by. And I would say, again, I still think we're going down, because let's not forget, this is the first bull cycle in this entire bear market. So I think this was required for everyone to get bullish and put their money into it. Now that everyone would put their money into it, I think we'll be better off with we know that markets dump down and it would be bought up quickly. So that's all for now. Stay tuned. And I've been seeing bull flags. I mean, they're just not maturing. In fact, they've been opening higher and higher every day. So it does seem like it's a lot of bullishness in Bitcoin charts. But let's see when it reaches 25,000. So that's all for now. Take care. Signing off, Gunpreet Singh from the Crypto Singh Show. Bye bye.